Governor Romney, as president, would you have signed the National Defense Act as written?
Yes, I would have, and I do believe that it's appropriate.
Some presidential candidates have to pay their campaign to make homemade signs.
It's good to be back in Michigan. This, of course, is where I was born and raised.
Dr. Congressman and presidential candidate Ron Paul.
President of the United States, would you need to go to Congress to get authorization to take military action against Iran's nuclear facilities?
You sit down with your attorneys and tell you what you have to do, but obviously the President of the United States has to do what's in the best interest of the United States to protect us against a potential threat. The President did that as he was planning on moving into Iraq and received the authorization of Congress.
Did he need it?
We're going to let the lawyers sort out.
This idea of going and talking to attorneys totally baffles me. Why don't we just open up the Constitution and read it? You're not allowed to go to war without a declaration.
Oh, God. I like Ron Paul. I really do. I really do. I really like Ron Paul. The guy is intellectually consistent.
Investing in housing, and you go on to say because so many people will invest in housing, the damage will be catastrophic. Congressman, how could it be that you knew this on the banking committee in 2003 and nobody else is here?
I love this state. It seems right here. The trees are the right height. I like seeing the lakes. I love the lakes. There's something very special here. The Great Lakes, but also all the little inland lakes that dot the parts of Michigan. I love cars.
After 4 days of resisting and dismissing questions about why entire towns and entire counties were left out of the Maine vote when the Maine Republican Party declared that Mr. Romney had won. As we talked about last night, more than a dozen towns in Waldo County, Maine, held their caucuses earlier this month, held them in time. They reported their results to the state party, and then mysteriously, they ended up being recorded as zeros in the state party's official tally. Today, the Maine Republican Party chairman, Charlie Webster, indicated that those votes have now been counted, but he's not going to tell you what they are.
That here in Iowa, in the Iowa caucuses, where they can set any rule they want for their own
article, tonight's Iowa vote count to take place at secret location. Continuing, concerns about supervision grow after Republican strategist says GOP establishment will not allow Ron Paul to win.
E-voting machines will count at least 3 out of every 4 votes cast in next week's election. But the e-voting machines may not be reliable. They may not be safe from tampering. If the voting process is not secure, then our very democracy is at risk.